Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing a quick review on the Adidas Ultra Boost 4.0. First impression out of the box, they look really nice. The Primeknit feels very high quality. The way it's structured, it always goes back in place, which is pretty cool. Not only do they look good, but they're extremely comfortable. Guys, I recommend if you don't have a pair of Ultra Boost, you definitely should get you a pair. Either you get it for work, for school, or just for casual. They're pretty much all-rounded shoes. The Ultra Boost is one of, if not the best comfortable shoes you can wear. I did that unboxing this morning, and I haven't took these bad boys off until now. Like right now, I'm still wearing the other pair. Once I'm done with this review, they're going right back on my feet. Alright guys, let's get these on feet and see how they look. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.